Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we'll be showing you how to test out this GE oven bake element. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. Now, if you do have an electric range with one of these elements and it's not heating, the first thing I would do is a visual inspection. Most of the time when you have a bad element, you'll see almost like a burn mark on it. Sometimes it'll be split, shattered, or maybe you actually seen it catch on fire. It'll almost look like a firework going down the side of the element when they go bad. This is a very common symptom, and of course, if that happens, it will need to be replaced. Now, if it is not heating and the element looks okay, the next thing I would do is check the terminals. Sometimes some of the wiring going to the terminals will be burnt. It will not have a good connection. It will not get the full 240 volt. If the wiring looks good, in order to test the actual element, you will need a voltmeter, set it on ohms. Now, a regular electric range element should range anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms. So I'm gonna put it on an audible tone. This one is testing out good, and it's testing out right around 21 ohms. If it was open, it will need to be replaced. Now, the next thing you can test is the element to ground, and in order to do this, you would test on one of the actual terminals and put it on the metal casing. If it is grounded out, once again, it will need to be replaced. And this completes how to check out this bake element. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.